All right, here we go. Starting. We are currently, well, first of all, I'm Travis. That's Heidi.
Yep.
And we're on our way to where?
Vegas, baby.
Yeah, that's right. Well, currently we're in Madison, and we got to stop in Minneapolis. And then we're there for 3 hours, and then it's Vegas.
Onward and upward.
Right. We'll check back in from the Sky Club in Minneapolis. Made it to Minneapolis. A couple cool things. Saw a family of ducks.
Like
And
9 ducklings. It was a lot.
just outside the airport in Madison. And then while we were waiting, there was F-35s taking off, 6 of them. And we have footage of all of it, so I'll put that in now. But hopefully that means good luck because we're going to Vegas. So
Wheels up.
we'll check in when we get back.
Bye.
As in back, I mean to Vegas. All right, first plate of food in the Sky Club. Broccoli, Caesar wrap, chicken pesto pasta, and sausage and peppers. And we're on the Prosecco's. Now, Heidi seems to think that the more we tip, the better we do gambling.
It's called karma, and you all know it's true.
I like to tip a reasonable amount. And Heidi's
No,
always
you go
like,
above
we
and
should
beyond, and you
go,
do nice things for
we should
people,
leave this guy like $100.
and you will gamble well. Take note, folks. Take note. Wise words.
We
Treat
shall
people
see.
well. $5.36.
How many points?
36. Very bad.
Wow, minus or plus the 5?
Oh, minus a 5, so 31.
31 points. Well, I just beat Heidi in gin, but she destroyed the evidence. She picked the
Look
cards
at my
up.
face. I did, because it was terrible. It was terrible.
Oh, those are awful cocktails.
But here's our good luck for Vegas.
Oh yeah, Jade is
Jade, guys. Jade.
Jade. Jade is lucky, apparently, in the Chinese culture.
Okay,
Well,
recap.
Sky Club, what did you think?
Oh, the Sky Club is always a good time. Not as good as strip clubs, though. Just kidding. I'm joking.
If you travel as much as we do, that's
Yeah.
probably the best Sky Club
Let's
there
get
is.
serious. Yeah.
That one's way better than any other ones, other than the cocktails. The cocktails are just god awful
But
every time.
I'd say the food is better in Atlanta, though.
No, Nashville had the best food.
That's accurate.
Atlanta, you think would be good, but it's just not.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, it's funny. Everyone can see me when I'm filming.
I
Anyway.
will speak to you soon.
Well, the next stop is Vegas. We'll see you there. Here's the world's longest jet bridge.
I like walking up Everest.
just checked in. 22632 at the Venetian, which is the South Tower, the newly renovated tower. Walk in. Bathroom. Doesn't really look like they did anything to the bathroom. It looks the same how I remember it. I don't know. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. Bathroom. A makeup thing that's not
make sure you show them the water closet.
Not targeted towards me. Bathroom, water closet. Phone used to hang there. Artwork. Come around. So we did do the $20 trick. It's the first time I've done it in years. And it did get us this room, which I only had one king, but I think we have 2 queens now.
Yeah.
And that's Heidi on the bed. 2 queens. And it's supposed to have a sphere view, but as you'll see,
I think our view is still better than Jason and Kaylee's view the one time at the Cosmo.
Can you not? And what's cool is light turns on under there. TV. And then a little living area. I know this is all new. It definitely smells like new paint in here. That's all new. And then, I don't know if you can see because of the glare, but that is our sphere view. The palazzo is blocking it, so we don't really have much of a sphere view, even though that's what he said. But I guess I'll take the upgraded room with the 2 beds. And for those interested, I got the thermostat all the way down to 50. We will see if it gets there. Just checked in. It's been a long day. I'm going to flip you around. It's been a long day. I think we're here at the Venetian for 3 nights. And then we moved to Fontainebleau for 3 nights. And then 2 nights at Resorts World. It's already like 9, almost 10 o'clock, which is midnight where we came from. And we left early this afternoon, and a 3-hour layover in Minneapolis, and then a 3-hour flight here. So we're pretty beat. We might just go down, get a cocktail. Might do a little bit of gambling, but anything I don't gamble today can roll over tomorrow. And I think we're going to go down and try the new lounge that opened in the Venetian lobby. I haven't been there yet, so we'll see you down there. All right, Sala 118. What'd you think?
I thought it was spectacular and very beautiful in there. It's very like Monet watercolors. You'll love it.
Yeah, so the drink I got was not on the menu. I'm on a mission to bring daiquiris back. No one knows what they are. I'll explain later because it's getting loud. But 10 out of 10. That was one of the best daiquiris I've ever had. And she had the flamingo.
Flamingo. It was very like tiki kind of pineapple forward drink. It was very good.
Now we're gonna go check out the high limit slots. Then maybe some bubble craps, and then maybe some food. I don't know. We'll see what we find. All right, I came to Vegas and I said I wasn't playing slots anymore. And what do? I sit down at Cleopatra in the high limit room, and we got snacks. If you don't know about the high limit rooms, I'm sorry, but they're the best. All right, we're still hanging around. We're at $73. Been sitting here for what, maybe 5-10 minutes?
Yeah.
And they don't have Fiji in the high limit room. They have Evian
At the Venetian.
at the Venetian, and I'm on the Miller Lights. So if we get anything, we will let you know. All right, guys, we hit it. We hit it on
Very
the
exciting.
$4 bet. $4 bet. So let's go.
Let's go to the bonus now. Well done.
Is it gonna make me do this myself? One. Nothing. Come on. Where does it say how many games left?
Giving us anything, there's 9
Oh,
to 15.
Share in my treasures.
Some of our money back.
All right. Come on, re-trigger. No. Come on. Come on.
Share in my treasures.
All right. Last game. Come on. That kind of sucked.
Hey, at least you got some of your money back.
It's your lucky day.
$64 and $67.40. All right, I thought that was going to be way better, but I guess not.
Aren't we at Mandalay when it didn't work?
No, but anyway, that's the end of our night. We're on the way back to the room.
Yeah.
Hi-
Late night ramblings. After an entire day of travel
Yeah,
or so.
we're just beat. The good news is it didn't lose any money. I'm actually up $4. The highlight was, I think, the bar. It was a beautiful
It
bar.
was gorgeous.
And my cocktail was great. That was a great
Travis
daiquiri.
was very impressed.
Very impressed. And then we went to somehow Grand Lux. Food is good. It is what it is.
Late
Those
night
chicken
eats
tenders.
you can't miss.
I'll put a clip in now. And we got a fun day tomorrow, so we're gonna go to bed. And we will talk to you then.
Lots of sign. Bye.